Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Outlook and going straight to the relevant settings so you can change fonts consistently. On desktop, navigate File, Options, Mail, then Stationery and Fonts. This exposes message fonts for new, reply, and plain text. For Outlook on the web, click the Settings cog, choose View All Outlook settings, then Compose and Reply. Once there, make sure you understand which option controls new messages versus replies and forwards, because you will set each separately to avoid unexpected. Now you change the actual font attribute so messages display as you expect. Select New Messages first, then click Font to pick typeface, style, and size. Preview shows how recipients will see text. Repeat for replies and forwards because they inherit settings separately. For plain text, adjust the font used to compose if you prefer a fixed size look. Once done, click OK or Save. Make sure to balance size with line length. Larger fonts wrap sooner and can alter layout. Finish by saving your changes and restarting Outlook so all windows use the new sizes. Web users should refresh the browser. If fonts seem unchanged, check for signatures or stationery that override message fonts because those are applied after your defaults. Also verify account-specific settings if you manage multiple profiles. If problems persist, disable add-ins and reset view settings. This clears UI overrides. If nothing works, revert changes and reapply one setting at a time to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.